You can change your life with these AI coins. In this video, you will learn the crypto narrative that you should invest in, and you also learn the 5 low cap undervalued AI agent coins that you should buy, that you should invest in. To get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button and turn on notification bell. So when next I publish new video, you'll be notified. Let's get started. What is the narrative, or what are the narrative in crypto that you should invest in? Is it every project or every coin in the crypto industry that you should invest in? The answer is no. So I'll be showing you the narrative that you should invest in. Now, where attention goes, that is where money flows. This is one of the rules that you need to know if you play in the crypto industry, if you are a trader or an investor. So let's look at this exciting chart. Okay, exciting analysis. The AI narrative is the strongest it's ever been. It's becoming the main focus for 2025. Just look at the numbers. Now let's look at these numbers, these mind-blowing numbers. AI, which is artificial intelligence, has 69.68%. So this means all the activities that happens in the crypto industry, AI takes 69% of that activity, almost 70% of that activity, and meme coins take 5.87% of the activities. What this means is that AI project or AI coin will explode and will make a lot of people millionaires. Now we'll now look at the AI agent coins that you should consider, that you should research on, and I see them to be low value, to be undervalued, and could become huge projects in the future. Okay, so the first one is Universal Operating System. Universal Operating System is a project that wants to bridge human and AI interaction in such a way that humans can own AI agents, and this AI agent you can hire it on the marketplace. And when this AI agent works, you make money from that AI agent that you own. A lot of features on the Universal Operating System. Yeah. So, but let's look at this with a 51% human and 49% AI composition. UOS embodies the perfect symbiosis, a digital offspring that carries the essence of its creator while harnessing the boundless potential of artificial intelligence. Now, this is amazing, this mind-blowing. It's one of its kind, and I believe this project has huge potential. It could reach billions. The market cap is $12 million, and $12 million, the all-time market cap is around $31 million. This will go very, very high. So do your research. Nothing I'm sharing in this video is financial advice. Do your research and before investing in any project. So it is listed on the Solana chain. You can get the portal address and buy through Phantom. That is the first project that is highly undervalued. Second one is Zara. Zara is like a key opinion leader. Okay, well, it is an AI project that AI agent that analyze projects. It gives you market analysis, it gives you technical analysis, it gives you on-chain analysis, and give you sentimental analysis. That means activities on social media platforms, on social media or different communities. Now, this project, and one of the edges or one of the things I can see that is good for this project is that it has a lot of backends from reputable traders and ways. And this project, with time, this project could become Vanguard. Let's look at its website. For this project. So I advise you come to this platform before considering investing in Zara. So let's quickly look at the price action for Zara. So the current market cap is around 7.6 million. So as you can see, 7.6 million. The all-time high market cap was around $8 million, $10 million. So this is super undervalued. Now, when you look at the competitor like 3 Sigma is around 50 million. Look at AISP. AISP is around 300 million. So this could go as high as billions of dollars. So it is a Solana project. This is the contact address. Copy it, and if you want to buy, you can use it to buy. Next one is AETA. AETA is a groundbreaking project. It's a groundbreaking project in the sense that it is an AI infrastructure play. It is building a platform where that can help developers build any form of AI agent. Now let's look at AETA. We are AETA. Decentralized agent networks and infrastructure for seamless collaboration. Modular AI system that evolve and learn autonomously. Okay, so this is an AI, a platform that help developers to build AI agents. So let's really look at its overview. Revolutionizing AI with decentralized intelligence. AETA framework is a modular decentralized AI framework designed to empower autonomous agents with advanced capabilities such as reinforcement learning, swarm intelligence, multi-modular processing, blockchain interaction, and democratic decision making. Now, this project is mind-blowing. It's one of the projects that will reach billions. Okay, now compared to project like Swamps is currently at $500 million in market cap. Compare Ether with Swamps. Ether has huge potential, and I believe it can reach billions dollars. Let's look at the market price action for Ether. Ether is currently sitting at $24 million, and $24 million, and its all-time high. Its all-time high is around, it's around, I think, so for market cap, its all-time high market cap is around 29, $30 million. Now, this is a project that do your research and understand why you are investing before investing in a project, so that when you understand why you are investing, it is called conviction. That conviction will help you to stay in the game, doing the deep debt that is built on the Solana chain. Get the control address from there and buy. If you want to buy it. Then the next we have is Lexicon, a project called Lexicon. Lexicon is a project that won hackathon. It took the first place in Solana hackathon and other awards. So it's a project that was liked by the co-founder of Solana, and it has a very good product. Okay, it's building an AI API that other the app project on Solana network and other network can integrate into their app in such a way that such project will have AI agent. The Lexicon AI agent will work in those. We provide API to the apps in such a way that every project will have the AI agent capability. So looking at it, the market cap for Lexicon is around 6.27 billion market cap, and now you can see that its market cap, the all-time market cap for Lexicon, all-time high market cap for Lexicon was around $26 million. So this has huge potential based on the triggers, the catalyst, the factors. It has huge utility, and some of the things that has happened, the hackathon and Solana co-founder liking it. So let's look at Lexicon website. Build the future of Solana. Create, collaborate, and share your best work with the Lexicon framework. Join our group of developers and team building the future of Solana interaction. Now, this is a project that is yet to explode. Once it explodes, it's going to be massive. Okay, look at the capability of Lexicon, AI-powered assistant, token swap, wallet integration, customizable framework, real-time update, developer friendly. This is massive. So it is a buy. It's a good project, and it has huge potential. Then the next or the last one is Stoic. Stoic is a project that it has a crazy developer. In fact, the people are investing on the team, on the developer, more than the project. Now, what is the developer doing? The developer has been building the project live, on live stream, building the project, coding the project, and that is how it has been. And because of that, it has attracted a huge community, and a lot of people are betting on Stoic. So looking at the market cap for Stoic is around 13.38 million market cap. And so this project, what I think about this project is that this is a $1 billion project. It has huge potential that is yet to be realized. So this is a very good entry price for those that want to take position on Stoic. Is a very good project. So here you have it. You have known the AI, the category that you should invest in, and you have also seen the low cap 5 AI agent funds that you can consider investing in based on the research that you'll be doing. So if you consider this content interesting, hit the subscription button, like, and subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Are there other projects that you think will outperform many other AI agent coins? Comment below. There's a video here that explains why Solana will reach $1,000 per price in this cycle. Check it and you'll find it interesting. Coinone has a community. In this community, we guide members to make money in crypto on a daily basis. Check the description section to join the community.